got a sense of adventure, you know. Some people just like, hey. And look at the caves back up in there. Goblin rocks and things sticking out. And all really. Just makes you want to go in and go on an adventure. I'm going to get serious about looking into this.
Yeah, I think the cops need to get serious about looking into this. Really didn't need you to tear that down while I was standing under it. Come on, dude. There's nothing good about this place. Why are there so many shoes?
Right, there's actually a strange spirit in this house. I walked through it and it's like...
You're like, rehab the place? Yeah, hire the Vatican.
That's the first building I ever pissed in America. Right there. That was some interesting shit that was going on.
Rancid. I mean...
Not for the life of me figure out what on earth that was.
Huh. Let's go. Trespass.
Come up and park right there and play all day. Bring your
What
lunch.
in the world am I looking at this thing?
Alabama and its 40 thieves.